D&M Toy Club. Are you subscribed? Guys, we're going to learn a mystery word with our surprise eggs and our toy tool sets. We've got some really cool dump trucks. We've got some bulldozers. And our mystery eggs. And here we get to spell one of our really cool toy tools. So let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back to D&M Toy Club. We are going to learn a word today. So we have to pick one of these really cool toys and then spell our mystery tool. That's what we're going to do. We've got all of these really cool toys. Check this out. We've got our saw. We've got hammers. We've got all kinds of saws. And then, here is how this is going to work. Then we've got surprise toys inside each of these mystery eggs. So we don't know if this is going to be a toy or if it's going to be a letter because we have to spell one of our tools. All right, guys, so let's get started. Which one should we do? Which one? Should we do the jackhammer? The clamp? Or the awesome hammer? Let's do the hammer. Let's spell hammer. All right, so here's what we're going to do. All right, so we'll move all of our other tools to the side. And we are going to set our hammer right here so we can see it now. We are going to start picking up eggs at random. Uh-oh, this might be a letter. Let's see. Oh, no, but it's a very cool Lego. Get a Lego figure. Alrighty, so let's pick another one. Oh, this sounds like a letter. I know it's going to be a letter. Oh, it's not a letter. But it is a Pokemon. Pokemon. Oh, he's pretty cool. A little tiny Pokemon. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh, I think that was a letter. He popped right out. Oh, it is a letter. It's the letter M. Guys, we have one of our letters for our word hammer. It's the letter M. All right, so let's take that. We're going to leave it right there. Let's go and grab another one. Surprise egg, guys, or do you think it's a letter? Remember, we're spelling the word hammer. Oh, that's not. But it is a pretty cool toy. Let's take a look at our next one. All right, I don't know. Is this going to be a letter, or is this going to be a toy? It's a pretty cool little... Oh, wow, it's a horse. That's like the smallest horse I've ever seen. All right, let's take a look. We have to get it. Yeah. Oh, this is going to be a letter. I know it is a letter. Which letter is it? It's the letter A. And letter A. Okay, so we have M, A for our hammer. Let's take a look at our next one. Oh, I think this is a toy. It doesn't sound like a letter. It is. Oh, it's a Shopkin. Pretty cool Shopkin. Alright, moving on. We gotta get some more letters. I know this is gonna be a letter. You think this is a letter? Yep, I think it is. It's the letter M. So we have another letter for our word. It's the letter M. So A, M, and M. Remember, it's hammer. Hammer. So let's take a look. Let's grab the pig. Let's see if the pig has any letters or toys. I think it's a letter. No, it's a Pokemon. It's another Pokemon toy. Alrighty. Let's take a look. Oh, I think this might be a letter. You know what? Let's try one of these. I think this is a letter, guys. We got it. It's a Shopkin. Oh, that's kind of a cute little Shopkin. It's like a shoe. Yeah, it is a shoe. Shoe with a Shopkin. Alright, let's go to the next egg. Oh, I know this is going to be a letter. We're spelling it. Oh, but this is a really cool, this is a miniature construction truck. Small one. Let's go for the big egg. Look at the size of this. Look at the size of this. Huge. Alright, here we go. Oh, this has got to be another letter. Good, we're going to spell... Nope, not a letter yet. Oh, it's a little crab. Alright, let's go on to our next one. I bet you guys this is going to be... It is a letter. Cool, cool. It's a letter. It's the letter H. So we're going to spell hammer, and hammer starts with the letter H. So H-A-M-M. We got only 2 more letters to go, guys. Let's see what we got. No, it's a surprise toy. Cool. Let's get we're gonna grab another one. Let's get the blue guy here. Oh, it's Peppa Pig's friends. One of Peppa Pig's friends. I forgot her name. I think it's Alright, here we go. It's a... Oh, it's not a letter. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Oh, I know this is another letter. We're going to spell it. It's not a letter. What is this? It's a duck. Oh, duck. Quackers. Oh, quackers. Alright, the cow's got it. The cow's going to have it. We need H-A-M-M-E-E-R. Oh, it's a minion. Cool. They're like little candies, these guys. I'm going to put him right there. He's a cutie. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. Oh, this is it. Alright, H-A-M-M. We need 2 more letters. Let me see. Oh, no, this isn't a letter. Not yet. But it's another Shopkin. Surprise toy. Alright, let's take a look, guys. We're getting there. We only have a few left. Let's take a look. Nope, it's another Pokemon. It's a Pokemon. Okay, guys. Let's grab the purple one. It's a letter. I know it is a letter. It is the letter E. Guys, we are getting there. E. Hammer. H-A-M-M-E. Let's see. We have one more letter. I know we do. I know where he's definitely got to be here. Oh, we got the farmer. We're gonna get the farmer. Oh no, it's a Paw Patrol candies. What? It is. Oh, those look good. I think I'm gonna snack on those. Oh, we'll do it later. Okay. All right, we only have 3 left. We've got to spell our word. Oh, it's a Shopkin. It's a Shopkin. Cute. Cute. All right, here we go. Almost done, guys. Let's see. Is this the letter that we need? No, it's another Pokemon. Maybe it's called Mewtwo. Yeah, Pokemon. All right. This is it. Here we go, guys. This has got to be it. H-A-M-M-E. Hammer, guys. How do we spell hammer? H-A-M-M-E. R. You got the letter. Yes, you got it. It's R. Hammer. That's right. H-A-M-M-E-R. Hammer. Cool, guys. If you liked the video, guys, remember, give us a big thumbs up. And down here in the corner, right around here, if you guys aren't subscribed, you got to be a club.
Hey guys, welcome back! We've got another show. We're going to do some really cool stuff with some new tools today. So let's check out what we've got on our table. We've got glasses, and we've got our clamps and our screwdrivers, nails and wrenches, and our hammers and our calipers. Let's get started and take a look at these really cool toys. Okay guys, let's take a look today at our saw. The first one we're going to look at is our wood saw. This one is really cool. In real life, if this wasn't a toy, this blade would be so sharp it could cut through wood. And we have some samples here, but of course this is our tool set. This is our toy tool set. But this will normally go and cut into the wood just like that. And it would make an opening in the wood. And you can cut it through the middle, or you can cut down the side. Our saw is one of the really cool toys that we've got. Because this can fit in the palm of your hand, and you can go back and forth. And this cuts all kinds of wood and even metal. Let's take a look at one of our other screwdrivers. Look at this one. This one's a flathead. This doesn't look like a Phillips, because remember, a Phillips has 4 sides. It has 4 different sides to it, and this one has only one. It's flat. But it works just the same. Let's take a look. You can take a piece of wood and one of your screws. Remember, screws have threading. Put it in your wood. Take the flathead, go right into the top. See how it fits? And just screw all the way through the wood, down through the bottom. And if you didn't want it in there, remember, you can always take it out. So just reverse and take it right out. That's a neat one. Comes right out of the wood. And we can move on to our next one. Remember the difference. A nail doesn't have any threading. A screw, though, has threading all the way down. But it looks the same on the top. Now, let's take a look at our caliper. This is a really unique tool. What it does is it can measure. See all the numbers on here? These numbers are used to measure the size of whatever it is you're looking to measure. And you move this back and forth. And every time you do, you can get a measurement between this and this side. So let's just say you wanted to see the size of this piece of wood here. You move the caliper up and down, and then you can gauge it and measure what size. See? Very cool, huh? Alright. This also can tell you like the different sizes of screws and nails to make sure they're the right size. You can get a measurement. Alright. So now we'll take a look at our open-ended wrench. This one has 2 sides that are open, and that's why it's called an open-end wrench. 2 different sides, and sometimes they're different sizes. One is bigger and smaller than the other. These are really handy if you ever want to take a screw out. You can use it by fitting this in right on top and then just turning it around. You can tighten it or you can loosen it, and then use the other side to do the same. These are really handy, but they're also a little different than these. This one is closed. See how it's closed on the end? This one's open, this one's closed. But they do the same thing. And now we can check out our pliers. These are adjustable pliers. You want to know why they're adjustable? Because when they're in this position, they can move only open up so much on the end. But you can slide this over. See? There we go. And it creates a bigger opening. Whoa, look at how big that opens. So for this one, we can use it the same way. Grab onto the screw, see how that does? And you squeeze it and you can turn it. See how it turns? That is really handy. And then you can make it smaller again by just adjusting it. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. We made it nice and short and quick. And we're going to do some more, so stay tuned and check out our new episodes. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe.